My lecture topic is Indo-Russia relations. I have divided my topic into 4 parts: introduction, history, current scenario, conclusion. As Russia is the one of the superpower in the world, relations with Russia are a key pillar of Indian foreign policy. Russia is a time-tested partner of India. If we talk about history, in 1971, Russia helped India in Bangladesh Liberation War. In 2000, India-Russia Strategic Partnership signed. The IRIGC, the Indian-Russian Intergovernmental Commission, is the governmental body which conducts affairs between both countries. India has embassy in Moscow and 2 consulate generals in Russia, in St. Petersburg and in Vladivostok, respectively. And Russia has embassy in New Delhi and 6 consulate generals in India, namely Trivandrum, in Chennai, in Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai and Goa. Russia and India are the part of international bodies, namely BRICS, G20. Recently, the annual meeting is held at Kazan, Russia in 2024, and we also do joint exercise in land, air and water, namely Indra, Avia Indra and Navy Indra respectively. If we talk about import and export, the key import from Russia are the oil, minerals and machinery, and the key major export from India are the organic chemicals, fertilizers and machinery. Recently, the import is growing by 42.2% and export is declined by 32.9% in 2024. In 2024, we have done 68 billion of trade economically with Russia, and we have also reduced dependency on Russia with the crude oil. I would like to conclude, if we have to build good relations with Russia, which is beneficial to India, we have to reduce dependency on crude oil, as we have increasing import and decreasing export with Russia. So we have to balance this by working on the defense technology with Russia. Thank you.